We are going to be asking college students for the best startup idea to win $500.
Here comes the money.
Anyone who has the best idea, you guys can vote in the comment section. His name is right here.
It's a company that's gonna be called Valor, for example.
Alright.
This mostly it focuses on e-commerce, dropshipping, and all of these type of things. We're gonna have a warehouse. This warehouse is gonna be consisted of courier service, packaging service. For example, when dropshippers start, instead of them working directly from China, they're gonna get it shipped to our warehouse. We're gonna store it for them. We're gonna do the packaging. This is gonna give them a faster service, and we're gonna work out many delivery points. One in the UAE, one in Saudi, one in this, one in that.
Basically a fulfillment center.
A fulfillment center. And there's something I want to show in the video right now that no one knows. I'm actually one of the hustlers you come.
Wallahi, there's no way, bro.
Here comes the money.
My idea for business. I have multiple boxes in Qatar, London and England in general. Metal boxes where you put your used clothes in, and they come to my company. We resort them, then we send them to other countries. We sell them for bulk, and we even sell them sometimes to thrift shops. We have thrift clothing as well.
How would you pitch it to someone who just wants to start this business?
You need a capital first, you need money. You can start off slow by working for those companies and to get to know better about those companies and become one of them.
One of the viewers watching this got the idea. How much do you think he makes in a month?
You can make like 4 to 5k when you just start.
Dirhams.
And then you can follow up the food chain, go 6k, 7k, 8k, and go up to 20k.
That's crazy.
Here comes the money.
My personal idea is that you buy a car, you fix it up, you sell it for a higher price, even if it's like a 10,000 dirham profit, then reinvest it in another car and keep investing in it until you've gained the enough capital to start your own dealership.
How much do you need to start this business?
You need the price of a car, a good in-demand car.
Thank you, my bro.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Here comes the money.
We come up with a water bottle. The label has ads on it. So we sell the water for free, but then we charge other brands for the ads.
Way we earn money is by covering the bottle with ads.
This is a very good idea.
Hold up, wait a minute. What the hell?
I actually read that idea an 8 out of 10.